I'm going shopping. I'll be back soon. Honey, watch the kids. Don't worry, honey. I have everything under control. Kids, do whatever you want. Just let me take a nap. Jacob, honey, where are kids? What kids? Our kids? They're sleeping. They got tired. Dad loves reading books to the kids, but the kids don't like listening to him at all. That's a water attack! Dad, watch out! You're shooting at an unarmed civilian? I'll have to defend myself. Okay, I give up. Let's upgrade the game. We'll pour in Sprite instead of water. Now you can attack. Bullseye! I want to join you. Where's the hose? Water fight! Ah! That's enough! We were using Sprite. Whoops! That's awkward. It's late, sweetie. It's bedtime. I don't want to sleep. Get in bed. I won't. It's late. Go to sleep. Sleep tight. Shh. I'm not going to sleep. Huh? Go back to bed. All right, I have an idea. Oh, a puppet! Yay! Don't be mad. Look over here. Whoa, a puppet bed. Mom, I'll go to sleep. Sweet dreams.
Now I need a blue marker. What are you two doing?
What?
What a mess! Hi, honey. We're drawing. Hi, Mom. We're busy. Maybe you can find time to clean up? I guess not. How about this? Let's play basketball. Who can score more points? Daddy, let's play basketball! Great idea! Let's see who can get more paper into the trash can. Got it! I made it! Now my turn! Got it! Eventually, all the trash ends up in the trash can. My plan worked! And Mom shoots a three-pointer!
It's pretty nice here. This is a great place for playing ball. You hit it! Ready! Catch! Whoa! Dad, would you get the ball? Sure. Another kick. Dad! Again? Here you go. Now the ball will be in the net. Attach it to your foot and go. Great idea! Dad is on his phone while his son is playing. Being this close to the ball is dangerous. Whoops!
Kids love video games. Kiddo, you busy? Oh no! My daughter will turn into a hunchback at this rate. Sweetie, you have to sit up straight. Like this. Aw, it's not working. I know. A seatbelt will always help. Now you can keep playing.
No one's here? Nice! Turn the phone off. It's just me and my yoga. And my kids. Inhale, exhale. Inner balance, self-control. Nah, I give up. Are you ready? A game controller for you. And you. Everyone meditates in their own way.
Good night, sweetie. Sleep well. I'll just beat this level, then go to sleep. What's that noise? Is it her phone? Mom, I'm sleeping. So it is her phone. Fine.
Okay.
Ninja Mom will swap out the phone for a sleep mask. Mission accomplished. Where's my phone? Mom!
Sweetie, it's shower time. I'll guard you over here. Where's my phone? Oh! Dad! Dad! Did you forget a swim ring? Here! Hi, Dad! What? Ah! This is better than a pool! Lunch is almost ready! What's that noise? Oh no! When did you guys make such a mess? Okay, it's time to eat! Sit down and enjoy your meal! And to make it more fun, you can draw something on the patty! The kids love it! Whoa! Those are masterpieces! You are so talented! Mom came in!
Hi, sweetie. What are you doing? Daddy, I'm drawing a doll, but it's not turning out. You're in luck. I know a trick, and I'll teach you. Just take a picture, cover it with plastic, and put a sheet of paper on top. Then light it up. And you can trace it. There you go. It turned out great. Thank you, Daddy. I love drawing like this.
Kids, what's wrong? I hurt my elbow! Hold on, Mom will take care of it. This? No. Or this? No. Or maybe this? No! A puppet BandAid! Yeah! Perfect! A puppet! That's not a toy!
There's a monster on the bed. Come on. Oh, that's who it is. Mom, I can't fix my blanket. Don't worry, I'll help you. First, turn the comforter cover inside out. Then spread it out. Put the blanket on top. Roll up the cover and the blanket. Then put the corners of the blanket into the middle of the duvet cover. And carefully turn it inside out. That's it! That was easy, right? Do you like it? Wow! This is the perfect place for a pillow fight!
Did you like our new video? Then comment below and tell us what life hack you liked the most. And don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to our channel, and click the bell so you don't miss any hilarious new videos from Troom.